The concept of a portable computer that could be used on the go, resembling what we now know as a laptop, was developed by Alan Kay at Xerox PARC in the early 1970s. However, the first commercially available laptop is generally attributed to Adam Osborne, who introduced the Osborne 1 in 1981. The Osborne 1 had a small CRT display and was considered highly portable for its time, although it was quite heavy by today's standards. A laptop typically consists of various components, including 1. Processor, CPU, ***, central processing unit responsible for executing instructions. 2. Memory, RAM, ***, random access memory for temporary data storage during operation. 3. Storage, ***, hard disk drive, HDD, or solid-state drive, SSD, for long-term data storage. 4. Graphics processing unit, GPU, ***, handles graphical tasks and can be integrated or dedicated. 5. Motherboard, ***, main circuit board connecting all components. 6. Display, ***, screen for visual output, commonly an LCD or LED panel. 7. Battery, ***, power source for portability. 8. Keyboard and touchpad, ***, input devices for user interaction. 9. Ports, **USB, HDMI, audio jacks, etc., for connecting external devices. 10. Networking, ***, Wi-Fi and Ethernet for internet connectivity. 11. Cooling system, ***, fans or heat sinks to dissipate heat generated by components. 12. Operating system, ***, software that manages hardware and provides a user interface. 13. Peripheral devices, ***, webcam, microphone, speakers, etc. Each laptop model may have variations in specifications and features. If you have a specific laptop in mind, I can provide more detailed information. To install Windows on a laptop, follow these general steps. 1. Prepare installation media. Download the Windows installation ISO from the official Microsoft website. Create a bootable USB drive using tools like Rufus or the media creation tool provided by Microsoft. 2. Insert USB drive. Insert the USB drive into a USB port on your laptop. 3. Power on the laptop. Turn on your laptop and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. This is usually done by pressing a key, like F2, F10, or Del, during the boot process. Check your laptop's manual for instructions. 4. Set boot priority. In the BIOS, UEFI settings, set the boot priority to prioritize the USB drive. 5. Save changes and exit. Save the changes in the BIOS, UEFI settings and exit, allowing the laptop to restart. 6. Windows installation. The laptop should now boot from the USB drive, initiating the Windows installation process. Follow on-screen instructions to choose language, time, and keyboard input. Select Install Now. 7. Enter product key. Enter the Windows product key when prompted. 8. Select installation type. Choose the type of installation, usually custom, for a clean install. 9. Partitioning. Create or select a partition to install Windows. You can format existing partitions or create a new one. 10. Install Windows. Continue with the installation process. Windows will copy files, install features, and update settings. 11. Complete setup. Follow additional prompts to set up user accounts, password, and other preferences. 12. Install drivers. After Windows is installed, install drivers for your laptop's specific hardware. You can get these from the laptop manufacturer's website. 13. Windows updates. Check for and install Windows updates to ensure your system is up to date. Remember that specific steps might vary slightly based on your laptop's make and model. Always refer to the manufacturer's documentation for any unique instructions. The development of laptops can be traced back to the evolution of portable computing devices and advancements in technology. Here is a brief overview. 1. Early portable computers. The idea of portable computers began with machines like the Osborne 1 and the Compaq Portable in the early 1980s. These were not laptops by today's standards but represented the early steps toward portable computing. 2. Grid compass. The Grid Compass 1101, introduced in 1982 by Grid Systems Corporation, is considered one of the first true laptops. It featured a clamshell design, a folding screen, and a compact form factor. 3. Advancements in technology. Over the years, advancements in microprocessor technology, miniaturization of components, and improvements in battery technology allowed for the creation of smaller, more portable computing devices. 4. Introduction of key technologies. The development of LCD displays, compact hard drives, and later solid-state drives, SSDs, as well as energy-efficient processors, contributed to making laptops more practical and user-friendly. 5. Mainstream adoption. Laptops became more mainstream in the 1990s and 2000s as technology continued to advance, making them more affordable and capable. Companies like IBM, Dell, HP, and others played key roles in the popularization of laptops. 6. Wireless connectivity. The integration of wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi further enhanced the mobility of laptops, allowing users to connect to the internet without physical cables. 7. Modern laptops. Today's laptops come in various forms, from ultrabooks to gaming laptops, and offer a wide range of features. They continue to evolve with ongoing improvements in processing power, graphics capabilities, battery life, and design. The development of laptops is a collaborative effort involving contributions from various companies and individuals over several decades, driven by the demand for portable and convenient computing solutions. Installing a fingerprint scanner on a laptop involves a few general steps. Here's a basic guide. Keep in mind that the process might vary slightly depending on your laptop model and the operating system. 1. Check laptop compatibility. Ensure that your laptop has a built-in fingerprint scanner or is compatible with an external fingerprint scanner. 2. Update operating system. Ensure your operating system is up to date. This is important for compatibility with the fingerprint scanner. 3. Check Device Manager. Open the Device Manager on your laptop to confirm if the fingerprint scanner is already recognized or listed. Look for any devices with an exclamation mark, as they may need drivers. 4. Download and install drivers. Visit the official website of your laptop's manufacturer or the fingerprint scanner manufacturer to download the latest drivers for the fingerprint scanner. Install the drivers on your laptop. 5. Configure biometric settings. Open the Settings or Control panel on your laptop. Go to the Accounts or User Accounts section. Look for an option related to biometrics or fingerprint recognition. 6. Enroll your fingerprint. Follow the on-screen instructions to enroll your fingerprint. This usually involves placing your finger on the scanner multiple times to create a fingerprint profile. 7. Set up security, asterisk. Configure any additional security settings related to fingerprint recognition, such as using it for login or authentication. 8. Testing. Test the fingerprint scanner to ensure it's working correctly. Lock your laptop, and then try unlocking it using your enrolled fingerprint. 9. Troubleshooting. If you encounter issues, double-check the drivers, and ensure that the fingerprint scanner is enabled in the laptop's BIOS, UEFI settings. Remember that the steps might differ slightly based on your laptop's make and model, as well as the operating system you're using. Always refer to the specific instructions provided by your laptop manufacturer for accurate guidance. To install Microsoft Office on your laptop, follow these general steps. The process might vary slightly depending on the specific version of Office and your operating system. 1. Purchase or obtain Microsoft Office. Acquire a valid license for Microsoft Office. This can be through a subscription, e.g., Microsoft 365, or a one-time purchase. 2. Download Office Installer. Visit the official Microsoft Office website or use the link provided with your purchase to download the Office Installer. 3. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded installer file and double-click on it to run the installation process. 4. Sign into Microsoft account. During the installation, you will likely be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you may need to create it. 5. Enter product key. Enter the product key provided with your Microsoft Office purchase when prompted. 6. Choose installation options. Depending on the version of Office, you may be able to choose the components you want to install. Select the desired options and click Install, or a similar button. 7. Wait for installation. Allow the installer to complete the installation process. This might take some time, depending on your internet connection speed and the components you've selected. 8. Complete setup. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This may include configuring default settings, such as language and update preferences. 9. Launch Office applications. Once the installation is complete, you can launch individual Office applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., from the Start menu or desktop shortcuts. 10. Activate Office, if required. Some versions of Office may require activation. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to activate your Office installation. Remember, these steps provide a general overview, and the specifics might vary based on the version of Microsoft Office you have and your operating system. Always refer to the installation instructions provided by Microsoft or the documentation that came with your Office purchase for accurate guidance. Backing up your laptop is crucial to prevent data loss in case of hardware failure, accidental deletion, or other unforeseen issues. Here's a general guide on how to back up your laptop. Windows. *1. File history. Windows has a built-in feature called File History. Connect an external drive, go to Settings greater than Update and Security greater than Backup, and set up File History. *2. Backup and Restore. Windows 7. For older versions, use Backup and Restore. Go to Control Panel greater than System and Maintenance greater than Backup and Restore. *3. OwnDrive. Store important files on OwnDrive. They are automatically synced to the cloud, providing a form of backup. *4. System image. Create a system image for a complete backup. Go to Control Panel greater than System and Maintenance greater than Backup and Restore greater than Create a system image. #macOS. *1. Time Machine. Connect an external drive and set up Time Machine. Go to System Preferences greater than Time Machine and choose your backup disk. *2. iCloud. For documents and data, enable iCloud. Go to System Preferences greater than Apple ID greater than iCloud and select Items to sync. *3. Third-party software. Consider using third-party backup software like Carbon Copy Cloner or SuperDuper for more control. General tips. External drive. Use an external hard drive or SSD for your backups. Regular schedule. Set up a regular backup schedule to ensure your data is consistently backed up. Verify backups. Periodically check your backups to ensure they are working correctly. Off-site backup. Consider off-site backups or cloud services for an extra layer of protection. Cloud services. Google Drive, Dropbox, OwnDrive. These services can automatically sync and backup files to the cloud. Google Photos, iCloud Photos. For photos and videos, consider using cloud services designed for media. Remember, the exact steps may vary based on your laptop's operating system and the backup method you choose. Always refer to the specific instructions provided by the backup solution you are using for accurate guidance. Installing a camera driver on a laptop typically involves a few straightforward steps. Here's a general guide. Please note that the process might vary depending on your laptop model and operating system. Windows. 1. Identify camera model. Find out the make and model of your laptop's camera. This information is often available in the device manager. 2. Download driver. Visit the laptop manufacturer's website or the camera manufacturer's site and look for the latest driver for your camera model. 3. Install driver. After downloading the driver, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the camera driver. 4. Restart your laptop. It's a good practice to restart your laptop after installing a new driver to ensure that changes take effect. 5. Check Device Manager. Open the Device Manager, right-click on the Start button, select Device Manager. Confirm that the camera is listed under Imaging Devices, without any warning symbols. ###macOS. 1. Identify camera model. On macOS, built-in cameras are usually detected without requiring additional drivers. External cameras might come with specific software. 2. Software update. Ensure that your macOS is up to date. Sometimes, camera-related updates are included in system updates. 3. Check System Preferences. Go to System Preferences greater than Security and Privacy greater than Camera. Make sure the camera access is allowed for the applications you want to use. 4. Third-party cameras. If you're using an external camera, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Some may have specific software or drivers that need to be installed. ###Linux. 1. Identify camera model. On Linux, most built-in cameras are recognized automatically. If you have an external camera, check the manufacturer's instructions. 2. Update system. Ensure your Linux distribution is up to date. Use the package manager to update the system. 3. Check camera application. Open your preferred camera application and see if the camera is recognized. 4. Install additional drivers, if needed. Depending on your Linux distribution and hardware, you may need to install additional drivers. Refer to your distribution's documentation for guidance. Always refer to the specific instructions provided by your laptop manufacturer or camera manufacturer for accurate guidance. If you provide more details about your laptop's make and model, I can offer more specific assistance. Installing a Wi-Fi driver on a laptop involves a few steps. Here's a general guide. Keep in mind that the process may vary depending on your laptop model and the operating system. ###Windows. 1. Identify your Wi-Fi adapter. Open the Device Manager, right-click on the Start button, select Device Manager. Find the Network Adapters section and identify your Wi-Fi adapter. 2. Download driver. Visit the laptop manufacturer's website or the website of the Wi-Fi adapters manufacturer. Download the latest driver for your specific Wi-Fi adapter model. 3. Install driver. Run the installer for the downloaded driver and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. 4. Restart your laptop. After installation, restart your laptop to apply the changes. 5. Check Device Manager. Open Device Manager again and ensure that your Wi-Fi adapter is listed without any warning symbols. 6. Connect to Wi-Fi. Once the driver is installed, you should be able to see available Wi-Fi networks and connect to them. ###macOS. 1. Identify your Wi-Fi adapter. Open System Information. You can find it in Applications greater than Utilities, and select Wi-Fi under Network to identify your Wi-Fi adapter. 2. Software update. Ensure that your macOS is up to date. Wi-Fi drivers are often included in system updates. 3. Check System Preferences. Go to System Preferences greater than Network greater than Wi-Fi. Ensure that Wi-Fi is turned on and select your network. ###Linux. 1. Identify your Wi-Fi adapter. Open a terminal and use commands like !lspci or !lsusb to identify your Wi-Fi adapter. 2. Check for existing drivers. Most Linux distributions come with a variety of drivers. Check if your Wi-Fi adapter is recognized. 3. Install additional drivers, if needed. Depending on your Linux distribution, you may need to install additional drivers. Refer to your distribution's documentation for guidance. 4. Configure Wi-Fi. Use the Network Manager or command line tools to configure your Wi-Fi connection. Always refer to the specific instructions provided by your laptop manufacturer or Wi-Fi adapter manufacturer for accurate guidance. If you provide more details about your laptop or Wi-Fi adapter, I can offer more specific assistance. To install a Bluetooth driver on your laptop, follow these general steps. Keep in mind that the process may vary depending on your laptop model and operating system. Windows. 1. Identify Bluetooth adapter. Open the Device Manager, right-click on the Start button, select Device Manager. Look for the Bluetooth category and identify your Bluetooth adapter. 2. Download driver. Visit the laptop manufacturer's website or the Bluetooth adapter's manufacturer's site. Download the latest driver for your specific Bluetooth adapter model. 3. Install driver. Run the installer for the downloaded driver and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. 4. Restart your laptop. After installation, restart your laptop to apply the changes. 5. Check Device Manager. Open Device Manager again and ensure that your Bluetooth adapter is listed without any warning symbols. 6. Enable Bluetooth. Go to Settings greater than Devices greater than Bluetooth and other devices and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. macOS. 1. Identify Bluetooth adapter. Open System Information. You can find it in Applications greater than Utilities, and select Bluetooth under Hardware to identify your Bluetooth adapter. 2. Software update. Ensure that your macOS is up to date. Bluetooth drivers are often included in system updates. 3. Check System Preferences. Go to System Preferences greater than Bluetooth and ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. Linux. 1. Identify Bluetooth adapter. Open a terminal and use commands like !lspci or !luSB to identify your Bluetooth adapter. 2. Check for existing drivers. Most Linux distributions come with a variety of drivers. Check if your Bluetooth adapter is recognized. 3. Install additional drivers, if needed. Depending on your Linux distribution, you may need to install additional drivers. Refer to your distribution's documentation for guidance. 4. Configure Bluetooth. Use the Bluetooth Manager or command line tools to configure your Bluetooth connection. Always refer to the specific instructions provided by your laptop manufacturer or Bluetooth adapter manufacturer for accurate guidance. If you provide more details about your laptop or Bluetooth adapter, I can offer more specific assistance. It seems there might be a misunderstanding. A hotspot driver is not a standard term. However, if you're looking to turn your laptop into a Wi-Fi hotspot to share your internet connection with other devices, you usually don't need a separate driver. Instead, you can use the built-in features of your laptop's operating system. Here's a general guide for creating a Wi-Fi hotspot. Windows. 1. Open Settings. Go to Settings greater than Network and Internet greater than Mobile Hotspot. 2. Configure Hotspot. Turn on the Mobile Hotspot toggle. Configure the hotspot settings, such as network name, SSID, and password. 3. Enable sharing. Under Share My Internet Connection from, select the network connection you want to share, e.g., Ethernet or Wi-Fi. 4. Start Hotspot. Click the Start Sharing button. macOS. 1. Open System Preferences. Go to System Preferences greater than Sharing. 2. Configure Hotspot. Select Internet Sharing on the left. Choose the connection you want to share from the Share Your Connection from drop-down. Select Wi-Fi in the To Computers Using list. 3. Configure Wi-Fi options. Click Wi-Fi options to set the hotspot name, SSID, channel, and security options. 4. Start hotspot. Check the box next to Internet Sharing on the left to enable the hotspot. Linux using Network Manager. 1. Open Network Settings. Go to Network Settings or use a specific network management tool based on your Linux distribution. 2. Create a new Wi-Fi connection. Add a new Wi-Fi connection, providing the necessary details such as SSID and security settings. 3. Enable hotspot. Look for an option like Share to other computers or Use as hotspot. Enable it. Remember, the specific steps might vary slightly based on your laptop's operating system and version. Always refer to your operating system's documentation for accurate guidance. If you have a different context in mind with hotspot driver, please provide more details for better assistance. Laptops typically don't have built-in SIM card slots unless they are equipped with cellular capabilities. If your laptop has a SIM card slot and supports mobile broadband, you may need to install the necessary drivers for the cellular modem. Here are general steps. Keep in mind that the process may vary based on your laptop model and operating system. Windows. 1. Identify the cellular modem. Check the laptop documentation or specifications to identify the cellular modem's make and model. 2. Download driver. Visit the laptop manufacturer's website or the cellular modem manufacturer's site. Download the latest driver for your specific cellular modem. 3. Install driver. Run the installer for the downloaded driver and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. 4. Insert SIM card. Insert the SIM card into the laptop's SIM card slot. 5. Configure cellular connection. Go to settings greater than network and internet greater than cellular. Configure the cellular settings, including APN, access point name, if necessary. 6. Connect to cellular network. Enable the cellular connection and connect to the cellular network. MacOS. 1. Identify the cellular modem. Check the laptop documentation or specifications to identify the cellular modem's make and model. 2. Software update. Ensure that your macOS is up to date. Cellular modem drivers are sometimes included in system updates. 3. Insert SIM card. Insert the SIM card into the laptop's SIM card slot. 4. Configure cellular connection. Go to System Preferences greater than Network. Configure a new service for the cellular connection, entering details like APN if required. 5. Connect to cellular network. Enable the cellular connection and connect to the cellular network. Linux. 1. Identify the cellular modem. Check the laptop documentation or specifications to identify the cellular modem's make and model. 2. Check for existing drivers. Most Linux distributions include a variety of drivers. Check if your cellular modem is recognized. 3. Install additional drivers, if needed. If the modem is not recognized, you may need to install additional drivers. Refer to your distribution's documentation for guidance. 4. Insert SIM card. Insert the SIM card into the laptop's SIM card slot. 5. Configure cellular connection. Use network management tools or commands to configure a new cellular connection. 6. Connect to cellular network. Enable the cellular connection and connect to the cellular network. Remember to refer to the specific instructions provided by your laptop manufacturer or cellular modem manufacturer for accurate guidance. If you provide more details about your laptop or cellular modem, I can offer more specific assistance. Installing a battery driver for a laptop is usually unnecessary because the operating system typically handles battery management. However, if you are facing issues with your laptop's battery, updating or reinstalling the battery driver might help. Here are general steps for Windows. Windows. 1. Open Device Manager. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. 2. Locate Battery. In Device Manager, find and expand the Batteries category. 3. Uninstall battery drivers. Right-click on each entry under Batteries, and select Uninstall Device. Confirm any prompts. 4. Scan for hardware changes. After uninstalling, click on the Action menu in Device Manager and select Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the battery drivers. 5. Update drivers, optional. You can also try updating the battery drivers. Right-click on each entry under Batteries, and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions. 6. Restart your laptop. After performing these actions, restart your laptop to apply the changes. It's important to note that the steps might vary slightly depending on your laptop model and Windows version. Always refer to your laptop's documentation or the manufacturer's support website for specific guidance. If you're experiencing persistent battery issues, it could be a hardware problem, and you may want to contact the laptop manufacturer's support for assistance. Additionally, checking for Windows updates and updating your laptop's BIOS, UEFI firmware can sometimes address power-related issues. Downloading files on your laptop is a common and straightforward process. Here's a general guide. # from the internet. 1. Open a web browser. Launch your preferred web browser, e.g., Chrome, Firefox, Edge. 2. Navigate to the website. Go to the website where the file is located. You can enter the URL in the address bar. 3. Locate the download link. Find the download link for the file you want. This might be a button, text link, or an icon. 4. Click download. Click on the download link. The browser will usually prompt you to choose a download location on your laptop. 5. Wait for the download to complete. The file will start downloading, and you can monitor the progress in the browser. 6. Access the downloaded file. Once the download is complete, you can access the file in the designated download folder on your laptop. # from email or cloud storage. 1. Open email or cloud service. If you received a file via email or it's stored in a cloud service, e.g., Google Drive, Dropbox, open the respective platform. 2. Locate the file. Find the file you want to download. 3. Download or save. In most cases, there will be an option to download or save the file. Click on it. 4. Choose download location. Select a location on your laptop where you want to save the downloaded file. 5. Wait for the download. The file will download, and you can access it in the chosen location. # torrents. 1. Install a torrent client. If you are downloading a file via a torrent, you need a torrent client. Install one, e.g., QBitTorrent, MicroTorrent. 2. Download the torrent file. Find the torrent file for the content you want. Download it to your laptop. 3. Open with torrent client. Open the downloaded torrent file with your installed torrent client. 4. Download the content. The torrent client will start downloading the content. You can monitor the progress within the client. 5. Access the downloaded content. Once the download is complete, access the downloaded content in the specified location. Remember to follow legal and ethical guidelines when downloading files, respecting copyright laws and terms of service for the content you acquire. Shutting down a laptop is a simple process. Here are the general steps. # Windows. 1. Click on the Start menu. Click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. 2. Select Power Options. Click on the power icon. It's usually represented as a circle with a line. 3. Choose Shutdown. From the menu that appears, select Shutdown. 4. Wait for the laptop to power off. Your laptop will go through the shutdown process, and once complete, it will turn off. # macOS. 1. Click on the Apple menu. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen. 2. Select Shutdown. From the drop-down menu, select Shutdown. 3. Confirm shutdown. If prompted, confirm that you want to shut down your laptop. 4. Wait for the laptop to power off. Your laptop will go through the shutdown process and turn off. ## Linux. 1. Open the System menu. The method may vary depending on your desktop environment. Look for a Power or System menu in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. 2. Select Shutdown. From the menu, select Shutdown, or a similar option. 3. Confirm shutdown. If prompted, confirm that you want to shut down your laptop. 4. Wait for the laptop to power off. Your laptop will go through the shutdown process and turn off. It's always a good practice to shut down your laptop properly to ensure that it closes all running applications and saves your work. This helps maintain the health and performance of your laptop. To update software on your laptop, follow these general steps. 1. Check for updates. Navigate to your system settings or control panel. Look for an option like Software Updates or Update and Security, depending on your operating system. 2. Windows Update. On Windows, you can use the Windows Update feature. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates, and follow the prompts to install any available updates. 3. Software Center, Mac. On a Mac, updates are typically managed through the App Store. Open the App Store, go to the Updates tab, and click on Update All to install available updates. 4. Linux Package Manager. If you're using Linux, use your distribution's package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, you can use the terminal and run commands like --sudo apt-get update followed by --sudo apt-get upgrade to update your system. 5. Individual software updates. Some software may have its update mechanism. Check the settings or help menu within specific applications to ensure they are up to date. Always back up important data before performing major updates, and ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection during the update process. Unleash your potential, one keystroke at a time. Your journey awaits on the glowing canvas of your laptop. We're giving you a best information about laptop. Thanks for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe our channel.